Today I'm going to be sharing my review of McDonald's spicy veggie wrap. I tried it a few days ago and I wanted to let you know whether it's worth trying yourself. I thought I'd explain my foodie experience by drawing the wrap so you can learn to draw it too. This thing cost me £2.99, which is extortionate when you come to eat it. Essentially, it's just a tortilla wrap filled with lettuce, tomato, and I think fried tofu. They also added some sweet sauce, which for me ruined the taste of the wrap. Also, I should mention that they advertise it as a spicy wrap, which I found an insult personally when I tasted it. You call that spice, McDonald's? Anyway, texture-wise it was mediocre. You've got 4 elements in there, but that's it. In terms of satiety, it was not great. I was only full enough because I ate it with wedges from Greg's, and those were actually good, by the way. The way the wrap was filled was also disappointing. It was not at all like the way I've drawn it here. Mine was only 3/4 filled, so that for the first few bites I was only eating plain tortilla wrap. Not good. The good thing was that I didn't find it greasy or oily, and definitely not heavy, so it's good if you're looking for a lighter lunch. I'm not suggesting it's healthy either, but it's probably better for you than one of McDonald's cheeseburgers. I just think that in total I wouldn't buy it again, but if you guys wanted to try it out and let me know what you thought of it, feel free. But personally, I think £2.99 is way too expensive for something like this. If I was to cost it myself, I don't think I would pay more than 60 pence for it, genuinely. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review / drawing tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Also let me know what other drawing tutorials you'd like to see. Bye!